Hi, today I'm going to make an introduction to Master Tape Reading, one of our courses at stockmarketlive.tv. This particular course, it is included in some of our service and it is available in our marketplace. Having said this, I'm going to start by saying that I'm an expert reading the tape since it exists in the markets. Since the internet, it started many years ago. And I became an expert reading the tape by chance when I look at all the information available at that time, reading books about the markets. I found out that I could not rely on any technical indicator or fundamental analysis or any other tool besides what I do believe to be the most important tool for a professional investor, which is precisely the tape. We call it level 2. I'm not an investor or trader. I'm an expert reading the tape, and I'm going to show you today what the tape is, and I'm going to make an introduction. And besides, when you visit our website at stockmarketlive.tv, you find out that in every single call which I make live, the tape, it is running. It is running because the calls are made in real time, live, and therefore we prove our work precisely by demonstrating it while the tape is running. While more than 99% of individuals, they look at the tape and they don't see anything, I personally developed these skills where when I look at the tape, I see the game played on each stock, and by doing so across different market sectors and ETFs, I'm able to say that reading the tape or master tape reading, it is in fact the secret sauce of investing in the stock market. However, also I have to say that in the past 25 years, I never met anyone that could do what I do, and therefore the reason why on the web you find so many people, and when they find our company and our work, in particular mine, they understand or comprehend that what we do, it is unique when comparing to any other company. So having said this, also today you find on the web several courses on how to read the tape. However, these courses are selling for $200 or $300, and they are claiming to be the secret sauce of how to invest in the markets. If you believe that you can buy a Ferrari for $200, well, that is should be one of your concerns. I believe that all these websites and individuals selling courses for $200, claiming to be the secret sauce of the stock market, they are scams. And they are proven scams, in fact, because I can prove all of them to be precisely the case. Recently, I gave you a remarkable example on how to read the tape when I made a call in a company called Yelp. I called your particular attention, I made a video, and I explained that there was share price manipulation, and by having share price manipulation, what we normally call painting the tape, that has a very high cost, and therefore we bet against that company by doubling the size of short position, a live call that was made available to investors worldwide in our blog. And if you followed our instructions today, you see that you made a lot of money by doing precisely what I said that you had to do. And therefore, in a couple of weeks, you find, when you look at Yelp, that the stock plunged from $50.30, and I identified precisely the pivot where you had to double the size of the short position, all the way down. Today there was a new low in Yelp, $35 or even lower, and therefore this is a proven fact that I know where to identify the pivots by looking at the tape. And more than 99% of people in the world, they are unable to do so. And they are unable to do so because it is required very special skills. I have thousands of hours before the screens looking at these numbers, these patterns running live, and I have the proof that no one else so far has been able to do it. Otherwise, they would be able to demonstrate equal work to mine. Therefore, I call your particular attention for this next slide. For those that they are selling courses for $200 master tape reading to be a proven scam, and taking advantage of the fact that human stupidity, it is unlimited, because again I repeat, you don't buy a Ferrari for $200. The benefits already in the tape, you have it list here, brief one. Stock price move can be predicted, offers more than 90% accuracy, consistency, which is the holy grail that every single investor is looking for in the markets. Nevertheless, in my opinion, you still need a methodology. Besides the tape, you need a methodology. And that is the reason why at stockmarketlive.tv you find that we have trading courses for investors, and I'm an expert also in algorithms. And the trading course, it is a sort of translation of certain algorithms that we have, and it was recorded live precisely during GoPro IPO to demonstrate that one can make millions of dollars in or trading or investing in a stock without the need to know any past history whatsoever. So having said this, I'm going to refer to the material existent on the website, and in particular this article. You have here the title, Best Course Stock Market Tape Reading. You have a description and what the course it offers you, and what exactly is tape reading, 101 course, the benefits, and so on. So what is the tape reading? The tape reading, and I'm going to refer to the tape. The tape, this is the tape, you are looking at it. On the left hand side you have Apple, and on the right hand side you have DTF Power Shares, the Qs. The tape is live, as you can see. It is running right now after hours. You have Apple at almost 121 and the Qs at 106 and 82. So what I'm going to say right now, it is going to be available for subscribers to our service live markets, and also those that they subscribe to tape reading course. And it is a brief introduction to master the art of mastering tape reading, and how important it is with regards to give you a competitive advantage in the market.